counties in Illinois, Madison, Monroe and St. Clair, and the Missouri independent city of St. Louis. In St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Crawford County, southwestern Franklin County, southern Gasconade County until 8:45 p.m. At 8:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 12 miles west of Cuba, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. The storm produced a tornado in Rolla, reported by the fire department. Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Sullivan, St. Clair, Cuba, Bourbon, Gerald, Parkway, Rosebud, Welford, Leslie, St. Cloud, Japan, Oak Hill, Noseville, and Stanton. This includes Interstate 44 in Missouri between exits 203 and 214, and between exits 225 and 240. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The storm has a history of producing tornadoes.
Hold on.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Crawford County, South Central Franklin County, Northern Washington County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 19 miles southwest of Steelville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-sized hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Sullivan, St. Clair, Cuba, Steelville, Bourbon, Anthony's Mill, Parkway, Leesburg, Miramichi Park, Richwoods, St. Cloud, Piney Park, and Cook Station. This includes the following state parks: Onondaga Cave State Park and Merrimack State Park. This includes Interstate 44 in Missouri near exit 218. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing widespread damaging winds and dangerous hail. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for a portion of east central Missouri. Tornado watch number 32 remains in effect until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Franklin, Jefferson.
Hold on.
In St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Franklin County, central Gasconade County, southeastern Warren County until 9 p.m. At 8:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles southeast of Mount Sterling or 5 miles northwest of Owensville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will locations impacted include Washington, Warrenton, Wright City, New Haven, Marthasville, Truesdale, Innsbruck, Trelor, Swiss, Drake, Mount Sterling, Holstein, and Bay. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. County, northwestern Washington County, until 9 p.m. At 8:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles southwest of Steelville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Sullivan, Cuba, Steelville, Bourbon, Anthony's Mill, Leesburg, Mirror Memorial Park, St. Cloud, and Cook Station. This includes the following state parks: Onondaga Cave State Park and Merrimack State Park. This includes Interstate 44 in Missouri between exits 214 and 218. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Okay, I can talk to him. Oh.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Calhoun County in southwestern Illinois, Western Greene County in southwestern Illinois, southeastern Pike County in west central Illinois, Lincoln County, southeastern Pike County in northeastern Missouri, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of New Hartford, or 16 miles northeast of Montgomery City, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Olney, Truxton, Silux, Edgewood, Siren, Whiteside, Painesville, Nebo, Berlin, Montezuma. This includes the following state parks: Quiver River State Park. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing widespread damaging winds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for portions of Illinois and Missouri. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lincoln County, central Warren County, until 9 p.m. At 8:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Big Spring, or 8 miles north of Herman, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Jonesburg around 8:35 p.m. Warrenton around 8:40 p.m. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 188 and 193. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing widespread damaging winds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for a portion of east central Missouri. The National Weather Service in St. Louis. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for central Franklin County, western St. Charles County, northwestern St. Louis County, southeastern Warren County until 9:30 p.m. At 8:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles southeast of Beaufort or 8 miles west of St. Clair, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include O'Fallon, St. Charles, St. Peters, Chesterfield, Wildwood, Bowen, Woodsville, Maryland Heights, Manchester, Creve Coeur, Overland, Lake St. Louis, Washington, St. Anne, Richmond, Jardine Prairie, Town and Country, Union, Eureka, and Thomasville. This includes the following state parks: Baber Memorial State Park, First Missouri State Capitol Historic Site, and Robertsville State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 212 and 231. Interstate 44 in Missouri between exits 230 and 261. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are difficult to observe at night. Take cover now. Tornado warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northwestern Franklin and southeastern Warren counties. At 8:40 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located near Uniden, moving northeast at 60 miles. Hazards included a damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. Impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Warrenton, Wright City, New Haven, Marthasville, Truesdale, Innsbrook. On the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest
Guys, tornado on the ground in St. Louis.
yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service
I just set mine off for the first time.
a severe thunderstorm warning for Calhoun County in southwestern Illinois, western Greene County in southwestern Illinois, southeastern Lake County in west central Illinois, Lincoln County, southeastern
Have fun getting your tornado video, Kenan. Turn your camera on so we can see it.
8:25 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of New Hartford or 16 miles northeast of Montgomery City, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and small
I
hail.
got you on this.
This is a radar-indicated threat.
What siren number?
The following impacts
2910.
expect considerable tree damage.
Is that the one by your house?
Damage
Yes.
is likely to mobile
Yes,
homes,
that's a
roofs,
large
and
violent
outbuildings.
tornado.
Other locations impacted
Oh, it's PDS now.
thunderstorm include
Oh, it's PDS now.
St. Phillips, Kenwood, Siren,
No, it's not. Never mind. I lied. It's not.
Lebo, and Montezuma. This includes the following state parks: Cripple River State Park. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter warning for southern Lincoln County, central Warren County until 9
Tornadoes moving northeast from St. Clair County.
30 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Big Spring, or 8 miles north.
BMW, I'm sending in to access and control for W0AAS, and we're looking at our net is currently activating shift and some other servicing tornado warning, thunderstorm warning for northwestern St. Louis County. To observe any weather, observe damage, or severe weather called in.
Or along the line from 6 miles northwest of Troy to 9 miles south of Wright City, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Woodsville, Lake St. Louis, Troy, Warrenton, Wright City, St. Paul, Moscow Mills, Winfield, Marthasville, Truesdale, Hawk Point, Innsbrook, Josephville, Fountain and Lakes, Chain of Rocks, Flint Hill, Forestville, Old Monroe, and Foley. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 199 and 212. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing widespread damaging winds. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for a portion of east central Missouri. Tornado warning remains in effect until 9:30 p.m. for northeastern Franklin, western St. Charles, northwestern St. Louis, and southeastern Warren.
W0AAS looking for a transmission confirmation.
There we go. Okay. I'm filming.
Windows and vehicles will occur. Damage is likely. Locations impacted include St. Louis, Wildwood, University City, Marlton, Kenwood, Westbrook Road, Arnold, Manchester, Creve Coeur, Overland, Clayton, Westwood, Town and Country, Eureka, Richmond Heights, Ladue, Sunset Hills, DePere, Brentwood, and Maplewood. This includes the following state parks: Route 66 State Park, Southwood State Park, and Massachusetts Historic Site. This includes the following highways: Interstate 54 in Missouri between exits 264 and 277. Interstate 55 in Missouri between exits 187 and 191. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Folks, another tornado warning. Let's see if St. Louis' center will activate. Please activate. Oh yeah, not to interrupt the EAS contusion of doom, but we are joined by a special guest. Say your name. Your YouTube name, not your actual name.
Central Virginia EAS.
Yes, the Virginia man is with us. While we're getting wrecked by these storms. I just got the text message for the storm, as seen at this bottom one here as well. I don't like to be talking during EAS videos, but in this case I kind of just have to. I don't have the right handheld to activate the sirens, but it's fine. Oh, oops.
Locations
Okay.
impacted include St. Louis, O'Fallon, St. Charles, St. Peters, Florissant, Chesterfield,
Oops.
University City,
Their reception might not be as well as we get for the
Maryland Heights,
activation data,
Hazelwood,
but
Edwardsville, Ferguson,
I doubt
Godfrey,
it will.
Creve Coeur, Overland, Clayton, and
Who's
Jennings.
this for again? I don't.
This